empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your...
Apple has officially stepped into the world of spatial computing with the highly anticipated launch of its augmented reality headset, the Apple Vision Pro. This marks the company's first major hardware release in nearly a decade, and it's already being called a game changer. At the launch, Apple CEO Tim Cook emphasized that the Vision Pro is designed to seamlessly blend the real world with the virtual, creating a mixed reality experience that is immersive, intuitive, and uniquely Apple. It's not just about looking through a screen. It's about transforming the way we interact with everything around us. Set to launch in the US early next year, the headset carries a premium price tag of $3,499, significantly higher than competing devices like Meta's Quest 3, which was recently announced at $499. But Apple is betting on its ecosystem and innovation to justify the cost. The headset offers a 2-hour battery life and integrates effortlessly with other Apple devices, aiming to become the central hub for work, entertainment, communication, and creativity in augmented reality. Though Apple remained relatively quiet on the topic of generative AI during the announcement, all eyes were on the Vision Pro and its potential to redefine the boundaries between physical and digital life. The reveal happened at Apple's developer conference at Apple Park in Cupertino, California, and while the company's stock dipped slightly during the presentation, the Vision Pro is already sparking excitement across tech communities worldwide. Amazon's Astro robot is an ambitious attempt to bring a personal assistant into the home in a new and dynamic form. Designed as a mobile AI-powered helper, Astro combines the functionality of a smart display, a security monitor, a toy, and even a voice assistant, all rolled into one futuristic package. However, despite its innovation, it's not quite the game changer many hoped for, at least not yet. Currently available only by invitation and priced at around $1,000, Astro offers a glimpse into what the future of home robotics might look like. Having spent over 2 weeks testing the device, it becomes clear that while the robot impresses with its sleek design and range of features, it still feels more like a luxury gadget than an essential household tool. Astro can roam around the house, keep an eye on things for security purposes, entertain children, and respond to voice commands. But these features don't quite justify the high price tag for most users. Amazon plans to increase the price to about $1,450 once Astro becomes more widely available. But with the current limitations and lack of a truly compelling daily use case, many consumers might hesitate to take the leap. In its current state, Astro is more suited for early adopters with deep pockets eager to explore cutting-edge technology than for the average household looking for practical benefits. It's a fascinating piece of hardware, but it still has some ways to go before it becomes an indispensable home companion. Samsung's Biometric Card IC is a revolutionary step forward in making everyday financial transactions both safer and more convenient by integrating fingerprint authentication directly into payment cards. This all-in-one security solution transforms the traditional payment experience, eliminating the need for PINs or signatures by verifying the cardholder's identity instantly and securely through their fingerprint. By embedding this advanced biometric chip, Samsung offers a seamless way to prevent fraud and unauthorized use, addressing one of the most critical challenges in today's fast-evolving payment landscape. Recognized with the prestigious CES 2023 Best of Innovation Award in the Cybersecurity and Personal Privacy category, this technology is gaining significant attention for its potential to reshape how people interact with their money. By combining state-of-the-art biometric security with the convenience of a contactless card, it promises a future where payments are not only faster, but also protected by a unique personal identifier that's nearly impossible to replicate or steal. This breakthrough goes beyond just enhancing security. It's about improving the entire user experience. No longer will consumers have to worry about remembering complicated PINs or worrying about stolen cards being misused. Instead, a simple fingerprint touch provides instant verification, making transactions effortless and far more secure. This innovation could become the new standard for payment cards worldwide, making day-to-day purchases smoother and far less vulnerable to cybercrime, ultimately giving people more confidence and peace of mind when handling their finances. The Biopod is an incredible breakthrough in the future of agriculture, especially when it comes to growing crops in the most extreme and challenging environments, like Mars. Developed by Interstellar Lab, this inflatable dome is designed to create and maintain the perfect growing conditions no matter where it is deployed. The Biopod controls everything crucial to plant life: temperature, humidity, oxygen levels, and carbon dioxide content, making it a highly advanced and fully autonomous greenhouse. With its sleek, white exterior and a transparent roof, the Biopod almost looks like a futuristic concept from a science fiction novel or a mini version of the Eden Project. But this is real technology designed to meet real challenges. On Earth, the Biopod functions with a sturdy composite base, much like the hull of a boat, housing complex electronics and hydraulic systems that precisely regulate the internal environment to suit the plant's needs. Inside the dome, traditional soil farming is replaced by cutting-edge hydroponic and aquaponic systems. These allow plants to grow without soil, using nutrient-rich water solutions instead. The Biopod filters sunlight and water through a special transparent membrane, optimizing the light exposure and water quality. Nutrients are delivered through a tailored liquid fertilizer spray that adapts to the specific requirements of the plants being cultivated. What makes the Biopod truly remarkable is the intelligent algorithm that continuously monitors the environment and adjusts conditions in real time. This technology ensures the plants receive the exact balance of light, nutrients, and air needed to thrive, maximizing growth efficiency and crop yield. This system is not only poised to revolutionize agriculture on Earth, but also plays a critical role in supporting human colonization and food production on Mars and beyond, where traditional farming is impossible. The Moya eVTOL project is pushing boundaries in the world of autonomous aviation with the development of its multi-role electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft. This innovative Brazilian startup is preparing for its very first test flights using a 70% scale prototype of its planned aircraft, marking a significant step forward in its mission to redefine regional and utility air transport. The prototype, known as the Moya Aero, features an impressive 5.5-meter wingspan, or roughly 18 feet, and is nearly ready for liftoff. The team has been building toward this moment with strategic planning and support, including a $2 million grant from FINEP, a Brazilian government agency focused on advancing science, technology, and innovation. The inaugural test flight is scheduled for the Southern Hemisphere's spring, starting in late September, and will take place at Fuzender Maristela Airfield near São José dos Campos, an area well known for its aerospace activity. Moya's aircraft is not designed just for one purpose. It's envisioned as a multi-role platform, capable of handling a wide range of tasks. These include practical and essential functions like crop spraying, cargo delivery, and potentially even rural medical logistics. Particularly vital in a country as vast and geographically diverse as Brazil. By targeting real-world applications like agriculture and logistics, Moya's approach is both visionary and grounded. It's focused on addressing current needs with futuristic technology, positioning itself as a key player in the evolution of unmanned aerial systems. As testing begins, the aviation world is watching closely to see how this emerging aircraft will perform and what impact it could have on transport efficiency and automation on a broader scale. On January 31st, 2023, Luwu Intelligence Technology, a Chinese company specializing in STEM education and advanced robotics, unveiled a major innovation in the field. The XGO-2Pi, the world's first Raspberry Pi-powered robotic dog, equipped with a functional robotic arm. This desktop-sized AI quadruped is not just another toy or educational gadget. It's a highly advanced, intelligent machine that brings next-level capability and interactivity to personal robotics. Designed with agility and intelligence in mind, the XGO-2Pi features 12 degrees of freedom, allowing it to perform a wide variety of complex and dynamic movements. What makes this robotic dog especially unique is its open-source architecture, enabling users of all skill levels, from beginners to experts, to program and customize its behaviors using platforms like Blocky and Python. It's built for education, experimentation, and innovation. But what truly sets it apart is the integration of advanced AI modules, which empower the robot with visual, voice, and gesture recognition. This means it can see, hear, understand, and respond to human interactions in a way that mimics the behavior of a real dog, making it both a technical marvel and an engaging companion. The XGO2 Pi is a significant step forward in combining robotics, AI, and accessible technology for users around the world. Fixar has announced its latest breakthrough in drone technology with the Fixar 025, an autonomous long-range, fully electric eVTOL drone built for demanding commercial and industrial missions. This European-developed drone is engineered to carry payloads up to 10 kilograms, or about 22 pounds, across impressive distances reaching 300 kilometers, or roughly 186 miles on a single battery charge, setting a new standard for efficiency and range in the drone industry. What sets the Fixar 025 apart is its full autonomy, achieved through a sophisticated in-house developed next-generation autopilot system, combined with the advanced X-Gram control system. These cutting-edge technologies ensure the drone operates reliably and efficiently without human intervention, making it an ideal solution for BVLOS, beyond visual line of sight, missions, which require high levels of trust and safety in unmanned flight operations. This drone is a game-changer thanks to its increased flight range and payload capacity, which were long-awaited advancements in the drone sector. Moreover, its versatility shines through with the ability to easily swap out sophisticated professional payload modules, allowing the same aircraft to serve multiple purposes. From aerial surveying and imaging, to remote sensing, surveillance, real-time monitoring, and delivery tasks, the Fixar 025 adapts seamlessly to a wide range of professional applications. Whether it's used for industrial inspections, environmental monitoring, or logistics, the Fixar 025 promises a blend of endurance, flexibility, and autonomous precision that makes it a standout solution for companies looking to harness the power of drone technology for large-scale, complex missions. GA, a state-owned Chinese automaker, has just unveiled one of the most futuristic electric vehicle concepts to date, a sleek, autonomous camper van that looks like it rolled straight off a sci-fi film set, or perhaps designed in collaboration with Tesla and SpaceX for a Mars mission. But this is no off-world rover. It's a concept vehicle built right here on Earth, and it goes by the name Van Life. As the second entry in JC's creative car culture design series, this van is turning heads not just for its radical looks, but also for its bold approach to future mobility. Crafted by GAC's European design team based in Milan, Italy, the van life isn't making its debut in the expected automotive hotspots like Shanghai. Instead, it's launching right in the heart of Europe, grabbing undivided attention with a strategic and stylish premiere. This move alone sets the tone for the vehicle. Bold, different, and unapologetically futuristic. With its smooth aerodynamic lines, ultra-modern bodywork, and autonomous driving capabilities, the van life is more than just a camper. It's a vision of how we might live and move in the decades to come. While exact specs haven't been detailed, the design strongly hints at a powerful all-electric drivetrain and self-driving features suited for long-haul adventures. It's not just about camping, it's about redefining mobility, travel, and comfort all in one sleek, tech-laden package. GAC's van life concept signals a future where adventure and autonomy are seamlessly combined. In early 2023, a robotics company named Figure revealed an ambitious plan to change the future of the workforce by introducing an advanced AI humanoid robot called Figure 01. This isn't just a machine built to follow instructions. It's designed to think, learn, interact, and operate entirely on its own. Unlike traditional robots that require human control or guidance, Figure 01 is being built to move freely and predict its own actions through the power of artificial intelligence. It doesn't need a remote or operator to function. It understands its environment, makes decisions, and takes action independently. The robot's main goal is to serve as a reliable assistant in the workplace, a handy all-around helper capable of supporting various industries. Its creators envision it stepping into roles that are unsafe, physically exhausting, or otherwise undesirable for human workers. Over time, it could drastically reduce the need for people to do dangerous or repetitive jobs, while also helping to solve growing labor shortages. With humanoids like Figure 01 working beside us, productivity has the potential to increase dramatically, allowing humans to focus on more meaningful, strategic, and creative tasks. It's not just a step in robotics, it's a leap toward a smarter, safer future of work. Bellwether Industries, a forward-thinking company based in London, has recently shared exciting footage of the first successful untethered flight of its futuristic flying vehicle, the Volar eVTOL, marking a bold step into the future of personal air travel. The test flight, which took place on January 12, 2022, highlights their prototype named Antelope, a sleek, aerodynamic aircraft that looks more like a luxury supercar than the typical vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL aircrafts we've seen so far. Bellwether calls this a new category of flying vehicle, and it's easy to see why. It blends the elegance of high-performance automobiles with the innovation of next-gen flight technology. Though the company hasn't yet released the full technical specifications for the Antelope prototype, it's designed with private use in mind and offers a compact, streamlined design meant for agile travel between cities. One standout feature is the hidden propulsion system, neatly tucked underneath the aircraft's futuristic body, allowing for smooth vertical takeoff and landing. From what's been revealed, the Volar eVTOL appears to be a single-passenger vehicle, suggesting a strong focus on personal, on-demand air mobility. With its cutting-edge aesthetic and concept, Bellwether's flying car brings us one step closer to making sci-fi transportation a reality. Dubai Healthcare City is not your typical wellness center, and it's certainly not just another luxury island for the wealthy. Instead, it's a groundbreaking floating island concept designed to redefine the future of healthcare in the Emirate of Dubai. Created by Kalbad Design Studio, this futuristic medical oasis is envisioned as a high-tech, self-contained complex that seamlessly merges world-class medical care with stunning architecture and innovation. What sets it apart is its underwater transportation system, allowing for smooth, futuristic mobility across the facility. It's more than just a place for treatment. It's an entire floating ecosystem devoted to healing, research, and well-being. The crescent-shaped island itself is visually spectacular, featuring intricate Islamic geometric designs that turn a healthcare experience into something visually and emotionally uplifting. This is where cutting-edge medical services meet five-star aesthetics. The atmosphere is designed to enhance comfort, positivity, and recovery. It includes green-lined residential zones for patients undergoing long-term treatment, as well as spaces dedicated to medical education and advanced research. Rather than resembling a hospital, it feels like a serene destination resort, making it easier for patients to feel calm, hopeful, and inspired during their healing journey. Dubai Healthcare City is a bold step toward the future, where care, technology, and design are flawlessly united.